Welcome back to Carspedia, your ultimate source for car knowledge, hacks, and secrets. Today, we're unlocking the hidden car features that most people completely overlook, but experienced drivers know and use like pros. From secret buttons to clever design tricks, these features can make your drive smoother, safer, and even more fun. So buckle up, because once you learn these hidden gems, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Secret number 1, hidden fuel tank arrow. Let's kick things off with a small but life-saving detail: the fuel tank arrow. Ever pulled up to a gas station in a rental or someone else's car, only to realize you don't know which side the fuel cap is on? Most drivers awkwardly peek out or get it wrong, pulling in on the wrong side. But there's a genius little trick right on your dashboard, a small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on your gauge. That arrow literally points to the side of the car where the gas cap is located. It's one of those things you'll use forever once you know it. Simple, effective, and incredibly overlooked. Secret number 2, hidden key slot in your fob. Modern cars with push-to-start systems rely heavily on tech until that tech fails. If your key fob battery dies, you're not stuck. Inside almost every fob is a hidden manual key. Look for a tiny release button or slide out section. But here's where it gets cooler. Your door might not show a keyhole. Instead, there's often a concealed slot under a plastic cover near the handle. Pry it gently, and boom, the key goes right in. You're back in business. This is especially critical during emergencies or extreme weather when electronics can glitch out. Secret number 3, automatic window roll down trick. Hot day? Dreading getting into your mobile oven? Try this. Press and hold the unlock button on your fob for about 3 to 5 seconds. On many models, especially Honda, Toyota, BMW, VW, and Audi, all the windows will roll down at once. It's an instant ventilation system before you even open the door. It's also great for showing off to friends or airing out the car quickly after a workout, beach trip, or long drive. It won't work on all cars, but if yours does, it's a total luxury move. Secret number 4, seatbelt height adjuster. We've all been there. The seatbelt cutting into your neck or sitting awkwardly across your shoulder. What most people don't know is there's a fix. Check the B pillar, that vertical bar beside your seat. You'll often find a button or slider that lets you adjust the seatbelt height. Slide it up or down until it fits perfectly across your chest. It's not just about comfort, it's about safety. A properly positioned belt reduces injury risk in a crash and prevents skin irritation during long drives. Secret number 5, sun visor extension. You know that sun visor you flip down to block front glare? It does more! When the sun hits from the side window, especially during sunrise or sunset, that same visor can slide or pull out to extend further. It may even swing to the side and then slide outwards again to cover more area. This hidden functionality is a game changer for those blinding angles that sunglasses alone can't help with. Perfect for road trips, especially when you're driving west at dusk or east in the morning. Secret number 6, rear view mirror night mode. That little lever or tab on the bottom of your rear view mirror isn't just cosmetic. Flip it at night and you activate night mode. What this does is tilt the mirror slightly to reduce the glare from headlights behind you. This is especially useful when a lifted truck or a car with aftermarket LED lights is right behind you. On fancier cars, this switch is replaced with an auto dimming function. Either way, experienced drivers never forget this flip once the sun goes down. Secret number 7, hidden trunk release. Imagine your arms are full of groceries or shopping bags, and you don't want to fumble for your keys. On some vehicles, especially higher-end models, there's a hidden trunk release button built into the car's body. Look around the taillight or beneath the rear badge. Some even use touch sensors behind the emblem. Thieves don't know it's there, but smart owners do. It gives your car a clean, minimal look and adds a layer of security. Plus, it's just cool. Secret number 8, rear fog lights. Everyone knows about front fog lights, those yellow tinted ones near the bumper. But did you know some cars also have rear fog lights? They're extra bright red lights, even more intense than your brake lights, designed to make your car visible in dense fog, heavy rain, or snow. There's usually a separate control switch near your headlight knobs. In the US, it's more common on European cars like Audi, Mercedes, and Volvo. Turn them on when visibility is dangerously low and off when it's not, so you don't blind the driver behind you. Secret number 9, hidden storage compartments. From emergency money to valuables you don't want in plain sight, hidden storage is a lifesaver. Many cars hide compartments under the seats, inside armrests, or even under cup holders. SUVs often have false floors in the trunk where you can stash tools or jumper cables. Some sedans include secret panels behind the glove box or near the wheel wells. Not only do these compartments keep things organized, but they also keep them safe from thieves or sun damage. Always check your owner's manual or model-specific YouTube videos. You'll be surprised what's built in. Secret number 10. Cruise control hacks. Cruise control isn't just for long road trips. Experienced drivers use it to maintain a precise speed in school zones, camera-enforced roads, or areas with heavy traffic fines. If your car has adaptive cruise control, it automatically adjusts your speed based on the vehicle in front, slowing you down and speeding back up without your foot. It's like having a co-driver on the freeway. This can reduce fatigue, improve fuel economy, and help prevent speeding tickets. Try it on your next drive, but always stay alert. Secret number 11, auto hold feature. Ever get tired of holding the brake pedal at long red lights or in bumper-to-bumper traffic? That's where auto hold comes in. This feature, when enabled, automatically keeps your car stationary when stopped. Even after you take your foot off the brake, the car only moves again once you tap the accelerator. It's a dream in city driving, parking garages, or uphill stops. You'll usually find the auto hold button near the parking brake control. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Secret number 12, lane change signal tap. Want to change lanes like a pro? No need to fully press your turn signal every time. Just lightly tap it. In many modern cars, this activates a lane change mode, where the signal blinks 3 to 5 times, then shuts off automatically. It's perfect for quick lane changes on highways or overtaking vehicles. It keeps your hands focused and avoids the need to manually cancel the signal after every move. Simple, smart, and very underrated. Secret number 13, built-in tire pressure guide. You don't need to guess or Google your car's tire pressure. Just open the driver's side door and look at the door jamb. There's a sticker with the recommended PSI for your front and rear tires. This ensures optimal fuel economy, ride comfort, and tire life. Driving with the wrong pressure can lead to blowouts or uneven wear. Pro tip, check tire pressure at least once a month and always before long trips, especially in extreme weather. Cold air causes pressure drops, while hot weather causes increases. Secret number 14, hidden hood release trick. Opening the hood seems simple until you try it for the first time and struggle to find the secondary latch. After pulling the release lever inside, you usually have to reach under the front edge of the hood and feel for a small latch or tab to fully release it. The location varies by car, but once you memorize it, it's second nature. Seasoned drivers can pop the hood in one smooth motion, even in the dark or during roadside emergencies. Secret number 15, emergency window operation. Let's say your battery dies, the electronics are locked, and your windows are up. Some cars allow you to manually raise or lower windows using your key. Insert the key into the door lock, then turn and hold it, either clockwise or counterclockwise, and watch the windows roll up or down. It's a built-in backup system for emergencies, especially if you've locked your keys inside or need quick ventilation. Check your car's manual to see if this rare but useful trick is supported. So how many of these hidden features did you already know? And how many completely blew your mind? Drop your answer in the comments below. We reply to every one. If today's video made your car smarter, safer, or just cooler, hit that like button and subscribe to Carspedia. We're all about driving secrets, repair tips, and budget car breakdowns that empower you behind the wheel. Hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode, and until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and stay curious.